Hi, this is Tony from AC Sign. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll tell you how to judge the quality of neon signs. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the link below the video to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for growing your business. Now, let's go for today's video. Look at this product. You can clearly see the appearance of the back panel and the destiny of the lamp beads is very uniform, and the color will not fall off even after a long time of use. The presence retail is excellent. I'm sure this is one of your needs too, right? Besides, safety is the most important thing. We're insulation to keep you safe, so you don't need to worry about this. From Tony's tips, you should know more about the craftsmanship and the material used in the process of making, instead of looking at the final press only. Quality and service are the most important. Choosing a best product and service is more important than saving money that should have been spent. If the things that we're doing are exactly what you need, that's great. Of course, our product is not just for one-time use. If you're still looking for a reliable signage supplier, AC Sign is your best choice because we have such a wealth of exhibition experience and such a complete supply chain. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now. Hit that subscribe button, like button, and comment below. Thank you for all the watching, and as always, keep shining.